पहचानते क्या है? सिर्फ भीख मांगने से पहचानते हो तुम लोग? मैं बताती हूँ किन्नर की कहानी। अपनी कहानी बताऊंगी और तुम लोगों को नहीं रुलाई। तो मेरा नाम भी कौटिल्यन है।
बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों न मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं।
I represent ARZ. My name is Arun Pandey. I am the founder and director of ARZ NGO. ARZ is an anti-sex trafficking NGO working in Goa since last 25 years. Today, in collaboration with Goa Police, Department of Women and Child Welfare Department, State Legal Service Authority and Goa State Women Commission, we are observing World Day Against Trafficking. Why World Day Against Trafficking? Because we are seeing globally there has been increase in the number of children and women who are becoming victims of sex trafficking. Though trafficking has various forms, but since we work on sex trafficking and since Goa is a major destination for sex trafficking, we have focused today's program on sex trafficking. Now, what is today's program? We are having a competition for anti-sex trafficking trophy, which we have launched today. In this, 11 colleges from different parts of Goa are competing. They are performing for this trophy. The aim to have this competition is to create awareness among the students of Goa who are the future of Goa. Today what we have also done, ARZ has done, is that ARZ has presented to the crowd regarding that what we have done in last 1 year in collaboration with Goa Police, Women and Child Welfare Department, State Women Commission, State Legal Service Authority. In last 1 year we have managed to, with the help of Goa Police, rescued around 36 girls. We have been able to rehabilitate at Government State Protective Home around 40 girls who were rescued from sex trafficking. They were from India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Kenya, Uganda, various other countries. We have rehabilitated them, and around 15 girls, we have foreigners, we have repatriated them back to their country, okay, with the help of Goa Police and also central CISF. We have done that. Also, what we have done in the last 1 year, we have managed to rehabilitate around 110 girls at our livelihood program. ARZ is globally known for its livelihood program for sex trafficking. We have set up factories to make tissue paper, toilet roll, laundry, okay, and wherein we provide employment to any victims of sex trafficking. Our aim is that no girl in Goa should be continuing in prostitution only because she doesn't have livelihood. We are ready to provide any victim of sex trafficking livelihood with 15,000 salary, ESI, PF, and free education to the children. So that we have been doing. We have also announced today that what is going to be our plan for coming 1 year. Before again we meet to observe the World Day Against Trafficking. So we are going to reach out to the states from where the girls are coming. Because only rescuing the girls in Goa is not enough. Most of the girls are coming from West Bengal, Maharashtra and Delhi. So with the police there, Women and Child Welfare Department and NGOs, we are going to provide them information. What is the profile of the girl? What is the modus operandi of recruiting them? Okay, what is the route they take? And what is the services the girls require for rehabilitation? So that's what we are going to do, one. Second, what we are going to do is that set up a livelihood program in North Goa. Okay. For that we require assistance of the state to get a place. Because now this activity is more happening in North Goa, Kalangut and Mapsa. And our experience of setting of livelihood unit has been is that if you provide them job, they will exit. So maybe if we get all the support, we will set up a unit, rehabilitation unit there. We are already in discussion with girls in Mapsa who are prostituting there. We have taken them to our unit in Vasco. They have seen there and they have shown their interest. Only we are looking for a place to do that. The third thing what we are going to do is that set up human trafficking, anti-human trafficking clubs in all the colleges. Okay, starting with the 11 colleges which are participating today. Why it is important is that because it is important to educate the girls and boys that how they should keep themselves safe. One. Second thing is that the men at least, they should not perpetuate trafficking by buying sex. And thirdly is that they are youth who will be tomorrow joining police, become lawyer, become counselor, okay? So that they are aware about the situation and they sensitively handle tomorrow when they join government or non-government program. Somewhere our aim is to involve different government agencies and society together to combat sex trafficking and make Goa a commercial sexual exploitation free state.
How many colleges are you saying?
11 colleges, okay, from south as well as north are participating today. It is that we are giving them 10 minutes. They can express themselves on the issue of sex trafficking as they wish. So some are putting a skit, some are singing, some are presenting dance. Okay, so if you see, very creatively they have performed. So one is competitive thing and the other is non-competitive. If you see the board there, wherein students have come drawn about sex trafficking, they have written poetry, and they have written essays on sex trafficking and put on the board for others to learn and get aware.